This is the Earth Science Classroom. So leading on from the individual star and the characteristics and how we can compare different stars based on the HR diagram and based on the life cycle, based on their mass and how they're going to be born and how they're going to die in different ways, which create awesome, spectacular phenomena in astronomy, is the collection of stars. And the collection of stars in the hundreds or tens or thousands of millions are called galaxies. Now, galaxy is a Greek word that comes from galax, which means milky, and William Herschel first looked at the Milky Way in detail in 1783 with his telescope, and from there in 1920 we understood that galaxies are a collection of stars under gravity, or the force of gravity, and how the universe is this large entity that contains all these galaxies and all these stars in various clusters and supergroups and local groups, and how the whole system is one big entity which is still unknown to a certain fact of what controls it and what is behind it, the energy that we can't always see that's binding between galaxies and how they function. But we know that it's around 13.8 billion years old, and the galaxies that we're looking at through Hubble, Edwin Hubble, were mostly spiral. So about 60% of the galaxies are spiral, which includes regular spiral and barred spiral. And the level of closeness of each of the spiral arms is dictated by the A, B, and C. A being nice and close spiral arms, and C being further away and spread out, again based on gravity. Then we have 20% which is lenticular, which looks like the lens of an eye, 15% elliptical, and 5% irregular. So these are the types of galaxies that we've observed through telescopes, through the Hubble telescope and through land-based telescopes. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like it, please subscribe and hit the like button. If you like more on this content, please check out my channel, which has all these videos on Earth science.